Let's stand up. Can you stand up? No. Let's sing.
Alright, I think I get the picture right over here. I'm going to let her get straight to that sundae. We're going to give her the short version of our birthday. Does that sound good?
Do the short version.
So, you know, we'll be out of your hair, alright?
Ready? They're going to sing for you.
For Bryden right here. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Bryden. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Thank you guys. Thank you. Oh, look, we have a candle to blow out.
Make a wish.
Let's go blow it out. Thank you. Thank you. Go blow it out. Go blow it out.
Chocolate.
Thank you guys. Blow it out. Make a wish. Blow. Oh, careful. Careful. Blow hard.
Oh, hurry.
Yay.